Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can hide your Facebook friends list on the mobile app. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through, and if you're successful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps. And now that I've said that, this is how you can do it. It's the same process for an Apple device as well, so just make sure you follow through all the steps. First up, open up Facebook on your device. Once you're in here, tap on the top right corner to go into the menu, which is the three lines. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under here, tap on Settings again. And in Settings, you can scroll down and tap on How People Find and Contact You. This is under the Audience and Visibility section. Just tap on that and you will get a bunch of options. Since it is the friends list that we want to hide, tap on Who Can See Your Friends List. Once you're here, click on See More. And you can see these are all the options available. If you want the friends list to be hidden, just tap on Only Me, and only you will be able to view your friends list. No one else on the internet can view it. Not even your friends can do it. So this is a way through which you can hide your friends list on Facebook. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.